Good morning, students. Today I am here teaching you chapter number 3, Picnic, a Great Fun. I hope you all are doing well and आप लोग सब अपनी पढ़ाई बहुत अच्छे से कर रहे होंगे. So firstly we will be starting with the chapter number 3, that is a great fun. Before starting with the chapter, I would like to explain you what do you mean by picnic. Picnic क्या होता है? Picnic is a kind of a small trip. You are on a small, like we can say, we are going on a trip that is for 2 or 3 days. Sometime it's for 1 day. आप सुबह से गए हैं, शाम पे वापस आ गए हैं, and sometime it's like for 2 to 3 days. So picnic is a kind of an trip, or you can say short activity जिसके अंदर we मतलब आप कह सकते हैं वी आर enjoying with our parents, with our friends, and a small get together जिसके अंदर we are enjoying all our meals, different activities. So this is known as picnic. So we all will be starting with the chapter number 3, Picnic, a Great Fun. So let's begin. About the chapter. In this chapter, you will read about the picnic. A picnic is an occasion where people pick a meal and take it to the outdoors, especially in a beautiful natural surrounding such as park, lakeside, or other places. I have already explained you. Picnic is a kind of a occasion. Occasion means एक छोटा सा कोई भी खुशी का माहौल जहाँ पे हम लोग अपने मील्स को लेकर जाते हैं, अच्छा अच्छा खाना, जैसे हम अपने स्कूल में बच्चों के साथ अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ट्रिप पे जाते हैं, वहां पे हम आउटडोर्स जाते हैं बाहर और हम खाना लेकर जाते हैं, स्पेशली एक ब्यूटीफुल सी जगह पे, जैसे कभी कभी हम लोग पार्क में चले जाते हैं, लेक में चले जाते हैं, कभी कभी हम जू में भी जाते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हम ऐसे जाते हैं, स्पेशली अगर लेक साइड और अदर प्लेसेस पे हम लोग जाते हैं. तो पिकनिक क्या होता है? पिकनिक इज एन ओकेजन. ओके, सो हियर इट्स रिटन अ पिकनिक इज एन ओकेजन. एंड जो लिखा है यहाँ पे, एंड इसीलिए लिखा है यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या आ चुका है? वावल. वॉवल्स हम लोग जो पढ़ते हैं दैट इज ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू. इनके पीछे क्या आएगा? एन आएगा. और अगर यहाँ पे वॉवल नहीं होता तो यहाँ पे क्या आता? ए. बट यहाँ पे वॉवल इज प्रेजेंट, सो we have placed and before an occasion. So when people pack a meal, जिसके अंदर people क्या करते हैं? एक मील को पैक करते हैं. मील मीन्स खाना, कोई भी मील. इट कैन बी ब्रेकफास्ट, इट कैन बी लंच. सब लोग पिकनिक में जा रहे हैं, छोटे छोटे बच्चे सारे के सारे अपने अपने डिफरेंट वेराइटीज ऑफ फूड लेकर जाते हैं, डिलीशियस फूड जिसको हमारी मम्मियां बना के देती हैं, या फिर आप पैकेट फूड्स लेकर जाते हैं टू ईट आउटडोर्स. और आप वो खाना कहाँ खाते हैं? जिस पिकनिक स्पॉट पे आप जा रहे हैं, स्पेशली इन ब्यूटिफुल नेचुरल सराउंडिंग सच एज पार्क, लेक और अदर प्लेसेस. कभी कभी आप पार्क जाते हैं, लेक जाते हैं, या फिर दूसरी जगहों पे जाते हैं. वहां पे हम लोग अपना अच्छा अच्छा खाना लेके जाते हैं जिससे कि हम एक अच्छी जगह जाके वहां पे वो खाना खा सके. नाउ वी विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद दिस चैप्टर. सो इट इज द मंथ ऑफ मे. कौन सा महीना चल रहा है? ये मई का महीना चल रहा है. इट इज द मंथ ऑफ मे एंड द सीजन ऑफ समर. और कौन सा सीजन है? समर सीजन चल रहा है. वी ऑल आर नोइंग दैट समर सीजन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम यू कैन से मार्च के एंड, अप्रैल की फर्स्ट स्टार्टिंग से टिल जुलाई और अगस्त. ठीक है. सो द स्कूल्स आर क्लोज्ड फॉर द समर वेकेशन. आप सब लोग देख रहे हैं कि हम लोग के जब बहुत ही ज्यादा गर्मियां हो जाती हैं तो स्कूल्स क्या हो जाते हैं? स्कूल्स आर क्लोज फॉर द समर वेकेशन. एंड पिंकीज ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, पिंकीज, yesterday I have already told you कि यहाँ पे apostrophe s क्यों आया है? Because Pinky's grandparents. We are talking about Pinky's grandparents. That is why it's written apostrophe here. They have come from the village. वो लोग कहाँ से आए हैं? They have come from the village. They are going for a picnic today. All people, all the this family, they are going for a picnic today. आज जा रहे हैं. आज लिखा हुआ है, दैट इज वाई इट्स टुडे. इफ दे आर गोइंग टुमारो, कल जाते तो इट्स रिटन टुमारो. दे, व्हाई इट इज रिटन दे? बिकॉज हियर पिंकीज ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स plus Pinky, they all are going, that is why it's written they. And why it's written will over here? Because they will also take Tarzan, their pet dog, along with their pet. They are going to a picnic with them. उन लोग के साथ कहाँ जा रहे हैं? पिकनिक पे जा रहे हैं. And it would be a great fun. Again It's written expression over here, it will be a great fun. That is why we have used exclamatory mark over here to represent an expression that there will be a fun over there if we will be going to a picnic. Granny and mom, they are busy in the kitchen. Granny and mom. Here we are talking about Pinky. So Pinky ki granny and the mom, they are busy in the kitchen. They are preparing the delicious snacks for the picnic. Yes, they are preparing the snacks and lunch. Or both granny and mom, they are preparing what? They are preparing snacks for the picnic. If Papa has gone to the market, Papa has already, he has gone to the market. Here Papa is written, this is he is female, that is why to represent Papa, here it's written he, and he will bring chocolates. What he'll be bringing? Chocolates, sweets, toffees and biscuits for the picnic. Tinku has ironed his dress. टिंकू ने अपने कपड़ों को क्या कर लिया है? प्रेस कर लिया है, आयरन कर लिया है. Tinku has already ironed his clothes, ironed his dress. That is why it is written over here iron. Ed is already present over here. Why? Because Tinku has already ironed. Tinku ने अपने कपड़े प्रेस कर लिए हैं. Now here we are talking about Tinku. So Tinku means he. Tinku is a boy. That is why it is written he. He has also polished his shoes. Tinku has already अपने shoes को he has already polished. He has done the polishing. That is why it is written ed over here. And they are shining now. और अब जो है उसके जो shoes हैं वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्या हो रहे हैं? चमक रहे हैं. Pinky will wear a yellow frock that her granny has brought for her. Has brought for her. जो उसकी नानी पहले से ला कर रखा हुआ था. Bring नहीं, it's brought. Why? Because her granny has already brought the yellow frock for who? For this girl. That is, we are talking about just a second. Pinky. We are talking about Pinky. So Pinky की ग्रैनी ने उसके लिए पहले से ही एक येलो कलर का फ्रॉक लाके रखा हुआ है. They all sit in their father's car and reach a beautiful place near a river bank. Now they all are ready to go to the picnic and they have just entered their car and reached the destination. That is, the destination is river bank. Where river bank means a place which is near the river. River के पास, see, this is the river and they are sitting near the river with their whole family enjoying the meal, the snacks they have brought from their place. Mother spreads a sheet on the grass and they sit there. Again, it's there because there it's denoting a place. That is why it is written there. And yesterday I have told you we have studied there. There means unki या फिर उनका. So here they all sat in the father's car and they are ready to reach the destination. And mother, she has placed the sheet on the grass and they all are sitting on the grass enjoying the meals over there. Pinky plays Ludo with her mother and grandparents. Now Pinky, what is she doing? She plays Ludo with her mother. Her mom is enjoying Ludo with Pinky and grandparents. Along with parents and grandparents, Pinky is playing Ludo over there. And Tinku is running around and playing with the Tarzan. Tarzan is a small, there is a pet dog. See, unka pet dog, that is why it is written there. And here there is a place, that is why there is written. So this is the difference between there and there. Both are pronounced similarly, but their spellings are different. Tinku is running around and playing with Tarzan. Tinku, he is playing with the dog. And Tarzan loves to play with balls. And Tarzan क्या कर रहा है? Tarzan को balls के साथ खेलना बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है. This question can be asked where they have reached to the picnic. Their destination is the river bank. Who is Tarzan? Tarzan is a pet dog, which we have described above. And this Tarzan, he loves to play with balls. Now Tinku throws a ball and Tarzan catches it up with his mouth. Now Tinku, what he does? He throws the ball and Tarzan used to catch this ball from his mouth. Why he is catching the ball with his mouth? Because he is a dog, right? He brings back to the Tinku. Again, this ball is again bring back. Tarzan brought this ball again to the Tinku, and this goes on again and again. There are many wildflowers on the river bank. Now, as they are sitting near the river bank, so they have seen that there are so many wildflowers. क्या है वहां पे? जंगली जंगली से फूल है, छोटे छोटे फूल है. And Pinky likes wildflowers. And what like Pinky like what? Pinky like wildflowers. Pinky को क्या पसंद है? Pinky को wildflowers पसंद है. She has a small basket in her hand. Pinky is a female, that is why we are using she over here, and she has a small basket. Now she is having a small basket, that is only one small basket, that is why A is mentioned over here, okay, in her hand, and she is picking up the flowers which is fallen on the ground. Now what is Pinky is doing? Pinky is carrying a small basket in her hand, where in which she is keeping all the flowers which she has just collected from the ground, which has been fallen on the ground. जो उनके जमीन पे गिरे हुए हैं वो फ्लावर्स उठा के वो अपनी बास्केट में डाल रही है. Now after some time, mother brings out a big cake from the car. Now what? कुछ time बाद, after some time. Why it is not written few over here? Because few is used for a quantity. Here we are representing the time, that is why it is written over here some. Mother brings out a big cake from the car. Mother जो है, she has just taken out a big cake from the car, and Pinky cuts the cake with a knife. Pinky, what is she doing? She is cutting the cake with the help of a knife. See, over here we will not pronounce K knife because K is silent over here. That is why it is knife. We used to call it like knife. Okay, K is silent over here. They eat. Who all they eat? All. The mother, the father, they all the family members, they are eating the cake, the biscuits and chocolates, and Tarzan also get its share. Or Tarzan ko bhi, that pet dog, he is also getting his share. Now, suddenly it started raining. Ab suddenly means एकदम से, अचानक से it started raining over there, and they all go under a big tree. जब बारिश होने लगी, so they all are standing under a big tree. Tree के नीचे हैं. Why it is written under? Because there is a roof present on their head. If any roof is present on our head, then we use under. Under is a preposition. What is under? Under is a preposition which is used when there is a roof below, above us. That is why it's written under over here. A lovely rainbow hangs right across the distinct sky. Distinct means दूर से, बहुत दूर से क्या हो रहा है? एक सुंदर सा rainbow निकल गया. Because it's raining, so we can see a rainbow is there. And how many colors are there in rainbow? There are 7 colors in the rainbow. Okay. Now Pinky, she sings a song, Rain, Rain, Go Away. Pinky, she started singing a song, this Rain, Rain, Go Away. We all have heard this song before. Okay, everybody sings with her. और सब लोग Pinky के साथ क्या कर रहे हैं? गाना सुन रहे हैं. Soon, एकदम से. Soon मतलब जल्दी से. The rain stops. Rain जो है एकदम रुक चुकी है. All are returning home. Returning means they are going back at their place. Instead of home, we can also use at their place. Okay. The traffic light is red. Now the traffic light is red. We all know this red is a signal which is present at the traffic light. हम लोग बचपन से पढ़ते आ रहे हैं this about traffic light. Red, yellow, green. Red means to stop, yellow means to get ready, and green means we can go now. Now Pinky asked her father what the traffic light means. I have already explained you what does this traffic light means. Traffic light is a signal, or you can say this is a rule which we all have to follow to avoid the accidents on the road. Tinku knows it and he recites a poem to answer, and everybody claps in joy. Tinku ko, this Tinku, he knows about this. He recites a poem to answer. Now, what does Tinku does? Tinku, he recites a poem. Recites a poem. Poem is always recited. Poem is never read. This is a very important word. You must remember every time using this word, and everybody claps enjoy. Everybody enjoys this Tinku's poem. So here we will be ending with the chapter. This is a very simple chapter. I hope all you liked it and you all go through this chapter very carefully. Keep enjoying yourself. Thank you.